start to finish. So let's get started.
Yeah!
Yeah! All right, we're good. So first today we're gonna teach Patrick how to do a backflip. So in order to teach him, first you wanna warm up and stretch, that way you don't hurt yourself. But first we're gonna take him to the trampolines, so that way he can get the feel for the bounciness. Take it to this tumble track, which is this long strip over here. And then we'll take it here to this route floor, which is really springy. We'll get some mats, do it off an elevated surface, and then hopefully take it to flat ground, and we should be rocking. To the springy floor, and you get to see the progression, everything from start to finish, so here we go. So this is a Euro style / Olympic tramp, super bouncy. Patrick, how much does this cost?
This trampoline costs $6,000.
Terrifying. Just try and control yourself. And this is called the backdrop. And this is just so that Patrick can get comfortable landing on his back. So it's just a basic bounce here. Up. Monkey back. And back up. You kind of go into this position here, right? It looks like you're doing a crunch. Kind of like this. Right? Just like that. Nice. Dude, that was good. Alright, try it again.
Andrew Mack on the vlog.
Real good. Perfect.
Injure your knee again. Injure it. Injure your knee again. Injure it.
Boom. That's exactly how it's done. Now we want to get comfortable going over our head. Over your head. Nice. And this is just to help get Patrick used to going over the back of his head. This is called a backdrop pullover, and it's just a backdrop, except now instead of shooting your feet forward, you're going to pull your feet back towards your face, and you're going to go over your head like this. Right? One more time. Backdrop. The difference is you bring your knees here towards your face when you bounce, and that'll end up causing you to go backwards. Right? Just like that. You don't have to use your hands, you can tuck in. Take it slow at first. That's it. Way to go. Now pull your feet in a little bit harder. What you want to use is really focus on your core, right? That's it. Right? You want to time that back bounce and get your core going. Nice. That's good. That's it. That's good. Now that Patrick's kind of got his bouncing backdrop pullover thing, we're going to spot him with some bouncing back tugs. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put my right hand on his lower back and kind of grab his shirt, and then we're going to bounce together, and then on 3 we're going to go up, and I'm going to lift his legs up in the air and help him rotate over. So it's important that you look for the ground when we do this. Okay. That way you know when to open. 1, 2, 3. That was good. How'd that feel?
Felt good. Like a little wobbly, but
okay. Let's do it again. Ready? You can bounce a little more. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Ready? We're gonna bounce. 1, 2, 3. That was beautiful. Nice. Okay, now I'm gonna let you try it by yourself. Well done, Patrick. That looks so good. So we don't have to teach Patrick too much how to do it on a tramp, since he did it back in what, 7th grade? Yeah. It's just been a while. So the main thing we're trying to get him to do it is on the floor. But we're gonna warm him up on the tramp since it's been so long still. All right. Yeah. So let's do another bouncing one. That's good. Very nice. Looking good. Okay, now we're gonna move on to standing. And the key to the standing is you want to really use your arms, right? Because right now you're just kind of jumping and pulling them in to tuck. What you want to do is you want to start kind of up high. You're going to bend your knees down, and you're just going to bounce, stretch up to the top, and then you're going to grab your knees and look back. Okay, that's it. Go down. Really try and knee yourself in the face. That's it. Feel a little. Dude, that was so good. Thank you, bro. That's so much improvement. Okay, give us one more. One more, and we'll get out of here. Dude, you got this. Yeah. You don't need me. Let's get it. All right. We're good. Thank you all. Yeah, of course. This is Patrick doing some stretch jumps here. That's good. And the key here is you really want to try and get those arms pushed back to help you start that rotation in your set and your back. Oh, it's good. 1, 2, 3. Oh, bro, you had so much height. That was easy. Good. Let's do one more.
So many high fives.
Ready?
So many high fives.
Bouncing.
Way too many high fives.
1, 2, 3.
Watch, they're gonna high five. See?
Okay, you got this by yourself. Okay.
Told you they high five.
Gonna do a bounce. 2.
high five. See?
So high.
Hey, high
Good.
five. After everything, they're gonna high five. Oh, he wants to high five me now.
Yeah. All right. Dude, easy. Yeah.
Oh.
That's it.
Oh, there's a string in my head. There. Oh! What's up, guys? Follow me on Instagram.
We're gonna do a standing spotted back tuck now on the tumble track. We're gonna do that same stretch jump. At the top, you're gonna snap your knees up, tuck real hard, and I want you to look back to the ground. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Dude, easy. 3, 2, 1. That's it. Thank you.
So now I'm doing this alone.
Well. Dude, you got that so easy. Tighter tuck. I want you to hold that tuck a little longer. That's good, dude. That's good. You can probably
There it
step a little
is.
bit more on the top. We just want to get him a little bit more height before we move it to the ground and some mats. So he's going to set the top of his tuck, which means he's going to wait to tuck in a little bit longer, and we'll see if we can get him some more height that way. Dude, that's it. That was way better. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put Patrick on an elevated surface onto a mat. So this is going to be a little different from a normal backflip because it's going to actually have him launch backwards so he doesn't land on this thing. We want Patrick's feet to be only halfway on the block. And the reason why we do this is so that way he goes that way instead of going straight up and landing back on the block.
Where the fear is. Okay.
Chicken!
3, 2, 1. That was so good. How do you feel?
Scared?
And there it is.
The heart rate's kind of harder a little bit. We just noticed the difference in sweat levels. Like my hair looked good. Now
You have to tuck a little bit tighter, so I want to bring those knees up into your chest and work it faster. Dude, a lot better. Yeah, so good. Dude. Oh, it's just sweaty. Ew. Upgrade or downgrade now to this shorter tire one, and we're gonna stick this one in front of the mat.
There you are.
We're gonna take it here, maybe do it onto a mat. Help take the mat away. You'll stand by yourself. 3, 2, 1.
I overturned it! That's so cool! I went too hard!
Good, that's good. I pushed a little bit on your back to give you some height. So let's do it again. I'm gonna try and push a little less. And I want you to really explode on that jump. Like same intensity you did with your first one. So good.
Yes! I did a backflip!
Okay, now you gotta do it without it.
I gotta do it without a oh yeah, you're right. Okay, I didn't do a backflip yet, alright? First one.
And he just needs to hold his tuck a little bit harder and a little bit tighter, and you should be able to rotate it over.
Attempt 2 for a perfect one.
I did a backflip!
No, I want a high five. Oh, he's gonna get injured. I want a high five now, yeah. Now I got one.
1. Pretty good. 1.
Okay, so Chris is gone. I'm gonna do a backflip without him. I think I can do it.
Am I responsible for your injuries?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you are.
Do it anyway. I don't care.
Yes! Completely alone. He wasn't even there.
He was in the background.
Oh, right. That's good. bunch of cool stuff. But it literally took him an hour to learn, which is phenomenal and super fast.
So much fun.
Yeah, so he did a great job. And if you aren't already subscribed, if you want to see new content, click the button below. And I'll see y'all next time. Peace.
I don't know what we're doing.
I hit his camera. I'm sorry.